Hey guys, welcome to another Clarity Chat. This is where we eliminate confusion and help you grow your business. I'm Scott Evans from Gorilla 360, an agency that helps you grow with smart digital marketing. Today we're going to talk about customer lifetime value. Now what the hell is that? So, customer lifetime value versus average order value. If you're running a retail store or an online business, these are two numbers you've got to get really clear on. A lot of online store owners are really aware of what their average order value is. You know, what's the average of all the sales coming in? Customer lifetime value is a heaps more important metric. That tells us how much on average every customer is worth to the business. If you get too focused on this, you're not thinking long term. So how do we actually get to customer lifetime value? So pretty much what it is the average order value that comes in times the average number of orders per customer. And that gives us a customer lifetime value. So for example, let's say our average order value is $150 through our store. And on average, we know that every customers will purchase 1.2 times. So our customer lifetime value is $180. Now, if we were just totally focused on the average order value, we'd just be thinking, okay, every time we get a new customer or a new sale through, it's worth $150. But if we've paid to acquire that customer and we know that, you know, on average they buy 1.2 times, so 20% of them are purchasing again, the real return from acquiring a new customer is $180. So that's super critical for your marketing because it gives you an idea of how much you can actually spend to acquire each customer. If you're just totally focused on that number, then you're not getting the full picture. What you need to know is this customer lifetime value number, so then you can decide how much exactly I can spend on acquiring each new customer.